Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant notifications every time someone sends you a follower request on Instagram while using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable follower request notifications in just a few simple steps following Instagram's latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the settings you need. Once you're on the main Instagram page, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon. This is usually your profile picture or a silhouette symbol. This will take you to your personal profile page. Next, look for the option labeled Notifications in the menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new page where you can manage all your Instagram notification preferences. Inside the Notifications section, find and select Push Notifications. This area allows you to customize which alerts you want to receive while using Instagram on your PC. Now, scroll down until you see the section titled Follower Requests. This setting controls whether or not you get notified when someone requests to follow you. To disable these notifications, simply choose the Off option under Follower Requests. And that's it. You've successfully turned off follower request notifications on Instagram from your PC. From now on, you can browse, post, and interact on Instagram without being interrupted by alerts every time someone sends you a follow request. Enjoy a more peaceful and focused Instagram experience, free from unnecessary distractions. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want a quieter Instagram feed. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your newly streamlined Instagram.